welcome to Sushi's Mini World. Today we're going to do a fun craft. I found these items from my attic which were of no use, such as fake toy trees, some fake bushes, some cardboard, tape, sculpting clay, some type of insulin. You can just use styrofoam, a broken pot, and some paints. We have Mars black, titanium white, 2 blue, and new shamrock for this project. Now let's get started. The first step is to get some sculpting clay from your house and make 1 pond and some rocks. Make sure to bake it at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once your clay sculpture is completely cooled off, you can start painting. I used gray for the rocks and some blue for the pond. Now it's time to paint the pot. You can use any color you want, but I prefer green. Once you have finished painting your pot, you can start painting your mountain. For my mountain, I used some shades of green and some brown too. We're going to start assembling the pot. You can use styrofoam if you want to shove it inside the pot, but I just used whatever I found in my attic. Next, we take a cardboard circle and we stuff it on top of the styrofoam. Now we are ready for gluing the trees. I'm going to glue my first one now. Great! I glued my tree. Time to glue the rest. Look, I finished my trees. Now it's time to do the shrubs in front of the trees. Let's start. It's time to glue my last shrub. Awesome! Now I'm going to glue my mountain down. awesome! It looks great! Time for the waterfall! Our paint is dry. Now we can glue our pot to our pond. Great! We glued our pot. Now it's time for the waterfall. If you have any gaps, don't worry. We can always fill it with shrubs. Now we're going to add effect to our pond. It's easy. All you have to do is just circles. You have to do this for the whole circle. Now we're going to create a waterfall. I used 3 pieces of clear tape that were started from the mountain all the way to our pond to create the base of a waterfall. The next step we have to do is put the glue gun all the way from the top to the bottom. Like this. Once you have finished making your stream, you are done with your project. Look, I finished my waterfall and I added shrubs on either sides. Don't you like it? Remember, when we started, we had a broken pots and other things that I found from my house. But now look how beautiful it is. If you really like this, make sure to like and share this video to your friends and family. And also, like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. Bye guys, and see you next time.